Come test drive the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, chrome mirror caps, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, trailering package. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.